Good morning and Happy New Year. This is Darren and welcome to my workshop. Just continuing on from my previous very quick video on the lighting in my workshop, I thought I'd give you a little bit more detail. So here we're going to look at how much actual light I do have on the surfaces around the place, and I'll give you a little chart also of what's recommended and a little list of what I do have here at the end so you can do a comparison. Alrighty, so this is my MFT3 table, and I'm going to have to put this on hold and move in, otherwise we're going to get in the way of the light. There we go. On this one we have 240 lux, not 24, because you can see up the top it says by 10. We've got it set to the by 10 range. So 240 lux. Which is a bit low really. We want the other side of 300. So some time ago, a company in Australia called Dick Smith, which was an electronics company, went out of business, and before they did, they sold a whole heap of things off cheap. And so I picked myself up a light meter for doing this exact sort of thing actually in my study and in here. So this is my light meter, and we've got it underneath one of my lights here, which is above my Festool storage rack. And I'm going to just measure that and show you what I'm getting there. I consider this to be fairly well lit. 510 lux. So if we come back out, where are we? 540, 550. 550, there you go. It's stabilised at 550. We're varying between about 102 up to 110, depending on where I stand, and depending on where the trees blow outside. Let's just call it 102 because that's the lowest. So that's by 10, so that's 1002 lux at that point. Alright, so now if we move it down to where the blade is, what do we get? 680 lux. Over at the table saw, I'm getting 310 lux at the increments. But only 260 over by the blade. 880, because I'd only just turned the light on, of course, and it was warming up to its maximum. So 560, I think it was when it was first turned on, and it's warmed up to 890. That's the old compact fluorescence. Oh, 900. So yeah, anyway, point being, it's very well lit over here at the router table. The last measurement I'm going to take here is on my workbench, and I'm getting 360 lux, again, because that's on the by 10 range. So 360 lux, which is about as low as you'd want to go.